Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome back to another video of mine and today's DIY. At last. So for today's DIY, we're going to be making this DIY ruched tee that is seen all over the internet for like a good $20 to maybe $50, $60. So I'm here today to show y'all how to make your very own for like $5. So for the materials, you'll just need a t-shirt, whatever color you'd like. Mine is just white, scissors, a safety pin, and a sewing machine. Or you can hand sew this as well, but a sewing machine is just a little bit easier. So let's get started. So just go ahead and grab your t-shirt and cut about 2.5 to 3 inches off of the bottom, and then from this little piece that you cut off another 1 inch, and that's going to be used as your strings for this ruched top. So to make the strings, cut wherever you'd like to just like break the loop and make it into like a long piece of string or a long strip of fabric, and then just go ahead and fold it in half and sew it straight down, and then now you've basically got your strings. So then next, go ahead and take that leftover like 1.5 to 2 inches that you have, just lay it onto the front center of your shirt. Cut out enough so that it goes from the top to the bottom of the shirt. Just go ahead and turn your shirt inside out and sew this rectangular strip onto the middle of the front side of your shirt. So basically you want to do 3 straight stitches, 1 in the middle of the rectangle and then 2 on each side, so that you make 2 channels to loop your strings through, if that makes sense. It makes more sense when you actually watch the clip. Now you've got something like this. You can also go ahead and hem the bottom of your shirt if you would like. I did that, but you can also leave it like raw if you want to go for that look. Go ahead and grab your strings and then just grab your safety pin, and you're just going to attach the safety pin to the very end of your string. So this just makes it a lot easier to like insert the strings through the channels. And then basically start at the bottom of whatever channel you'd like, one of the 2, and just insert it through, and then once you get to the top, just loop it back into the other channel. So you basically have one continuous string running from the bottom of the channel to the top, and then looped back in and then out the other end. And that's basically it. So just go ahead and flip your shirt inside out and try it on, and then tighten the strings as much as you'd like, and you're done.